Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update graphics driver using .inf files in Windows 11. Updating graphics drivers using .inf files involves a manual process and can be necessary for several reasons, such as number 1. Customization and control. Manually updating the driver using .inf file gives you more control over installation process. You can choose which driver version to install, customize installation option, and ensure that the installation is performed exactly as you want it. Number 2. Update issues. Automatic driver updates may fail due to network issues, software conflict, or other reasons. Manually updating the driver using .inf file provides an alternative methods to ensure that you can still update your graphics driver even if the automatic update process encounters problems. And number 3. Custom drivers. Manufacturers sometimes release custom drivers that are not available through automatic update channels. These drivers may include advanced features or optimization tailored for specific use cases. Manually updating the driver using the .inf file allows you to access and install this certain driver if desired. If you want to update your graphics driver through automatic update, then here's a certain tutorial for you. However, here I'll be showing you a simple method that can surely help to manually updating the graphics driver using the .inf file. So let's get started. First, you will need to download the latest version of graphics driver from the manufacturer website. Now go to the drivers and manuals under support section. Now enter your device serial number or SNID or model number to identify your device. And ensure that you are downloading the correct driver for your specific graphics card model and operating system. Once downloaded, extract the content of the downloaded driver package to the folder on your computer. Usually the downloaded file will be in compressed format like .zip or .rar. Extract it to a location where you can easily access the files. Now right click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapter category to view the graphics card. Now right click on your graphics card and select the Update driver from the context menu. In the Update Driver Software window, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now click on Browse button and navigate to the folder where you have extracted the driver files. Select the folder containing the .inf file for your graphics card and click on OK. Now select your graphics card model from here. Now click Next to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instruction that may appear to complete the installation. Okay, as you can see the message, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. After the driver installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your computer has restarted, verify that the new graphics driver has been installed correctly. You can do this by checking the device manager to ensure that the updated graphics driver is listed under display adapters. So, I hope this simple guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.